Hi guys! If you don't know me, my name is Nims. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very special as I wanted to create something super simple and unique but very relevant to the Black Lives Matter movement. I was searching as to what I could paint, but nothing really spoke to me until I came up with this amazing concept in my brain. I'm very proud of this piece of art, mainly because of the message behind it. I will explain the meaning of this painting at the end of my video, so stay tuned right until the end. I really took my time with this one, so I hope you enjoy watching parts of the process. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and please do subscribe to my channel. So I'm just starting off by drawing some lines and sketching up the puzzle shape that I want to create. Of course, all the puzzle sizes are the same, otherwise it wouldn't be a puzzle, right? But they all got slightly different shapes. Kind of like the human race, actually. We're all humans, but we come with our own little quirks and perks, you know? On to the fun part, mixing colours and painting. So I'm just showing you me painting this peachy, creamy shade first. I'm going to show you the way that I paint the whole of this box. But I'm not going to do that for every other square, otherwise you're going to get really bored, and we don't want that, do we? So the rest of it I will just show you parts of the colours that I paint. So I didn't actually plan what colours are going to go where. I just mixed some colours together and freestyled it. I don't know the exact names of the brushes that I used, but I used a really slim defined brush to etch out the sides, kind of like an eyeliner brush. And then I used a small, round, flat, tapered brush to get everything else in between. This art spatula is literally the best thing to mix paints. If you don't want to ruin your brushes, I'd really recommend using one of these, and it's also great for like application of paint as well, or creating different strokes on your paintings. I'm not doing that for this painting, I'm using brushes, but to mix colours, this is a dream. As I'm using acrylic paint on material, I'm adding material mixing medium to give me more freedom with blending, and so that the paint doesn't crack and peel off. And by doing this, we are turning the paint fabric friendly. I'm mixing colours to make various shades of skin tones. I'm trying to mix them so that they have different undertones. I'm simply lightening some colours by adding white, or darkening them by adding, obviously, darker paint colours. I'm actually painting in the evening, so I really hope that these colours turn out well in the daylight. I'm adding some white paint to this beige shade to turn it a lighter tone, and then again adding some mixing medium. Each puzzle is a different colour. I know some might end up looking the same, but they'll be slightly lighter or darker from the ones that they look similar to. Also, acrylic paints tend to dry a little bit darker, so I actually had to be really wary of this when I was mixing colours together. So as you can probably see by now, I'm just continuing to mix different colours and applying it to each piece of the puzzle. This painting has taken a lot longer than anticipated, mainly due to mixing colours to create multiple different shades. It wasn't as easy as I thought. But this is good practice, I tell ya. Even though I already have brown paints in my collection, I just wanted to mix it up a little by adding greens and reds together to get various gradients of brown. So this is the finished piece. As you can see, I painted it on a tote bag. Yeah, I'm happy with the turnout. I like the colours. Now let's just go ahead and remove the masking tape. This puzzle is an array of different skin tones. It shows how we are all connected, regardless of our complexions. A bit like how a puzzle is connected to make a beautiful picture. Each piece is individual, but adds something to the puzzle. A bit like how we're all individual, but have this whole world living inside of ourselves. Now, with a piece of the puzzle missing, the puzzle wouldn't be complete. A bit like the human race. Without all of our beautiful colours, the world wouldn't be, well, as interesting, I guess. As you can see, I have scattered all the different skin tones apart to illustrate that no complexion is superior to another. We're all equal. And I wanted to express the diversity this planet carries, so I didn't want to divide us into any particular group. Instead, I united all the colours harmoniously. As you know, it's a real testing time right now. And even under really unfortunate circumstances, it's really great to see unity amongst us and people schooling themselves on Black history and racism. The colour of our skin, or our race, wasn't our choice. We all just got blessed with these beautiful complexions. The way we behave on the inside, however, is our choice. We'd all live harmoniously if we lived with compassion and love. Jane Elliott actually says it best. We are all one race, the human race.